Hey guys, finally the open source version of Claude Design published by Nexu Labs, and it is working fine, and it is also giving the same kind of output like the Claude Design. And here it is completely free and open source, and also they have included some of the extra features like image, video, audio, and also you will find the same options like prototype, slide deck, and from template. And also they have provided some by default template like the Claude Design, and I have tried it and it is completely free with your own configuration. Let's say you have installed the Claude Code, Codex CLI, Open Code, or Gemini CLI, Kimi, Cohen, Cursor, or GitHub Copilot CLI. So it will use that configuration, and all of the free models that you have used inside Claude Code or Codex or Gemini, it will use that. Let's say inside Claude Code, I have already made several videos that you can map any of the open source model that are available free to this Opus, Sonnet, or Haiku, and you can use the same things here also. Okay, and let's say you are using the Gemini CLI, then you can use the Gemini, all of the models inside it, and so as a free user, you will get some free credits inside Gemini CLI, right? And that is also huge, and that credit you can use here. Here you see that when I asked simply hi, so using Gemini, and after that using Open Code, here you see hi, how can I help you today? This is the response, and after that here you see from Gemini I got a great response, like I simply just asked hi, and after that it was asking some quick brief 30-second questions like what kind of prototype you want to build, SaaS landing page or dashboard or interactive product component. And after that the primary surface like for desktop or mobile, tablet or response or see all sizes. And by the way guys, this is not only for coder, any non-coder also you can use it, because for them there is options like here you see slide deck and from template, so you can make the slides also here according to your need. And here you see after you give all of this information, you can click on the send answers and it will start doing its design. Okay, so step by step I will show you how you can use it, and this is the free GitHub repository, the free open source code, and I have given the link in description, so go there and open this GitHub link. So from scratch I will show you, and you will get the idea how to use it and how to set up the configuration. And if you have not subscribed this channel till now, please make sure to subscribe. From this channel you will get this kind of amazing video every day. Okay, so now let's start it. And just scroll down below, and here you will find the setup and installation procedure. One code snippet, let me show you. Where is that? Where is that? Yes, here you see quick start, and this 1 2 3 4 5 6, these 6 lines are enough to do the setup. So first of all you have to do the git clone for this repository. So just copy this command, and inside your folder, here you see that I have made one open design folder, and inside it I just simply did cmd, and after that just write git clone. I think they have already written the git clone. Yes, so just copy and paste it. Okay, so git clone and press enter. Now what it will do, that it will install this code base inside your local machine. This is the open design folder, it will be created. Now it will ask you to go to the inside open design folder, just to cd open design. As I have already did it, so that's why I am not showing you again from scratch, because it is not possible for me. I have already created this folder. Okay, so just do this cd open design, go to that folder, and after that these are the some important steps. But remember one thing, you should have the node.js for 24 version. Okay, so previously when I was trying this open design, I had the node.js 22 version, so at the time it was not working. Then I actually I was reading this entire documentation, that what configuration they have mentioned, and I found that they are mentioning node.js 24. So just go to this node.js download website, and there download the node.js 24 latest version, LTS version. You need to download for Windows or Mac or Linux, according to your OS you can download it. Okay, this is the very important part. Okay, and after that here is the core pack enable. I have already executed this command, let me show you. Core pack enabled. Okay, so where is that? Core pack enabled, core pack enabled. Yes, here you see core pack enable, and after that they are suggesting this core pack pnpm version, so you can do that pnpm version. Currently the version is 10.33.2. And after that the next command, here you see pnpm install, and here you see I did this pnpm install, and it will install all of the dependencies. Okay, now after that this is the main command, pnpm tools dev run web. Now remember one thing, in your machine you have the npm, because when you will install the node.js you will get the npm by default. But if you get any error for during installation, that pnpm, okay, so you need to install this pnpm manually. So pnpm, okay, pnpm install. So guys, the way I am showing you all of the step-by-step procedure, no one will show you this kind of steps over the internet. You just search, they will show you only the design, how to use it, how to all of these things. But this configuration is very much important before starting doing the design, right? So just do this npm I pnpm and it will install this pnpm, and after that you will be able to use this pnpm commands. Okay, so when you will run this pnpm tools dev run web, you will get actually this kind of lines that it will start wave and also it will start the daemon. Okay, now you need to open this wave version. Okay, this wave version you need to open. So the port is 49673, 49673, the wave version. So if you open this you will find this one. Let me just reload it in front of you. Here you see it will open. Now on the right hand side, you will find the settings option. So here you see that configured execution mode, the first one option, second option is media provider, third option is language, and fourth option is about. So go to this configured execution mode, and after that here you see that Cloud Code, Gemini CLI, Codex CLI. So according to your preferable CLI, you can use it. So during design phase, I highly recommend everyone to use the Gemini CLI, because Gemini has the great design power. And also, if you are using Claude Code, then make sure you are using any kind of model that have the design knowledge. Let's say you can use the Claude Sonnet or Claude Opus during the design, means during the prototype formation phase. Okay, it will be very helpful to make the great prototype. Otherwise, you can go to this Gemini CLI, and also if you are using through open code, then they have some by default model like Minimax, and also you can say GLM. They are also great model. So you can choose any one. I will go with this Gemini CLI, and after that I will show you the Cloud Code also. Okay, and you can do the same steps and same procedure with the other that is available inside your system. So here you see that for some option it is disabled, because these are not available in my system. So I already installed this Codex, OpenCode, Kimi, Qwen, Pi, and this GitHub Copilot CLI, Gemini, Cloud Code, but I have not installed the Kiro CLI or Cursor Agent CLI and Hermes CLI. So that's why these are disabled. Okay. So I have selected the Gemini CLI, and those who don't know that how to use the Gemini CLI, for them I will recommend you to go to our channel, and here just search Gemini CLI and press enter. You will find a detailed video. Here you see there are lots of video, this Gemini CLI, Gemini CLI. Okay, there are lots of video there. So you can watch all of these videos and get the idea how to do the setup. Okay, and also let me just start the Gemini. So here you see that I have started the, okay, where is that? So here you see that I have started my Gemini CLI, and by default it is using this Gemini 2.5. Okay. Okay, fine. So let me start the design with this model, and I will start building the prototype. So the first step, prototype. And if you have watched my previous video for this Claude design, then you know there I made one website, and the prompt was this: build a landing page for our new API product with a hero section and code examples and pricing. So I will generate the same website, same prototype here also, and then I will compare with this design with the Claude generated design. Then you will get the idea that what is the difference between these two, and it will be very interesting to see, to compare. So let's see. Okay, so I will give any name here, API product. Okay, API uh, API product. Okay, and after that let me select this fidelity, high fidelity, and currently I will not select any design system. Okay, and let's say create, and after that give that prompt here, and after that click on this send. Okay, now here you see that I am using the Gemini CLI, and that's why here you see the by default configuration of Gemini CMD it will take. Let's see which model it is taking. And here you see it is initializing the Gemini 3 flash preview. It also has the great capability for understanding the design. So that's why I picked the Gemini CLI. And output format, yes, single landing page. And primary surface, it is desktop web. Okay, who is this for? So this is for the let's say solo devs. Okay, solo devs. And after that, visual tone. Let's say it is a take utility, means GitHub or Datadog style. Brand context, pick a direction for me. And what does the API do? Okay, so API will do auth as a service. Let's say auth as a service. So you see that it is actually asking me the related question, the website or the prototype that I am building. So it is asking me that related question. So the pricing model, let's say free, pro, okay, and let's say teams. This is the pricing styling, and let's click on the send answer. So with all of this information, here you see this is the answer that Gemini has got, and now it will start working on that. Let's see. And now here you see that it is asking me some another questions like got it, tech focused landing page for an auth as a service API for solo developers. Since I am picking the visual direction, choose the one that fits your vision. It is asking me to select the color. So for that, let's say I am choosing this color. Okay, it has given me some of the variations, but I will go for the first one, the Datadog or GitHub style, this color. Send answer. Okay, so you see it is really very amazing, and it is asking the question like the Claude Design style, and also it is free to use and completely open source, and I am running it locally. And guys, when it is working, let me show you another interesting thing. Just let me place myself here, and if I go here on the right hand side, you will find the settings button. So just click on that and just go to the settings. Again, this window will appear. So let me place here, and you will find there is an Anthropic API. So if you are interested to get or to work with the Claude model, then you can put the API key here and select the model here, and after that Claude model will work with this open source open design. And what will happen that you don't have to take the pro subscription from the Claude, and you are getting the advantage of this Claude design without any Claude pro subscription. I hope you are getting the point. So Claude model is working with the free and open source open design, and you are getting the same kind of advantage without paying for the Teams plan or pro plan. And like Claude Design, here you see that they have this new sketch option where you can provide the sketch of the prototype. And also here you see that there is an upload option where you can upload the zip file or any design. And here you see that within a second my page is ready, the whole prototype is ready, and it is looking very cool. And again, one thing, as I have used the model Gemini 3 flash preview, so you will get the Gemini 3 flash preview kind of output. Okay, you cannot expect the Claude 4.7 Opus kind of output. For that you need to use the Claude Opus 4.7. As I have already told you that from the settings button, if you just include the Claude model here, by default it will take that. Okay, for that you need to use the Anthropic API key. And this is the thing that the model that you will use, you will get the output like that, because it is completely open source and you are free to use any kind of model. They have given the design system like the Claude Design. Now it is your choice what model you will use. Okay, so I have used the Gemini 3 flash preview model, so that's why I have got this kind of output. Okay, and also like the Claude Design, they have included this share button, and you can actually share it as PDF or as PPTX, or you can download it as a zip file and export as standalone HTML. You can do that, or you can deploy it to the Vercel also, right? And also here you see this is the full source code they have provided, the preview and the source. Okay, so let me open another window, and there I let me select the Claude model. So here from the settings option, let me again open the settings window, and instead of Gemini CLI, let me select the Claude code and save it. Okay, and here just let me simply write hi and press enter. Okay, so here you see that now this time it is using the claude.cmd file. And here you see initializing this pool site Laguna access.2 free model, because in my last video I have already shown you that how you can use the Laguna access.2 free model inside Cloud Code instead of Cloud Haiku. And here you see that within a second we got the response, hi, what we built. So in this way you can actually use any of the model inside this Claude Design alternative open design, and you can make the design. Okay, so I hope that this video is really helpful for you guys. If you found this video helpful and if you want to get this kind of videos more, don't forget to subscribe this channel, don't forget to like this video also, and if you face any problem, just let me know in the comment section, and all of the links are given in description. Please go and check there, like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care.